If your loved one needs supervised care during the day, but you work or have other obligations, Adult Day Healthcare is here for you.
If I can have a life, if my mother can have a greater quality of life, I want other people to be able to have that experience.
I'm hopeful that others will learn from our experience that you just go down a different road and there's an adult daycare center waiting for you right there on the corner.
This Fairfax County Health Department program offers affordable quality care, meaningful activities, new friendships, and peace of mind. For more than 30 years, the program has provided community-based care for older adults and adults with disabilities in a safe and nurturing environment.
They're very big on developing our intellect as participants here. We don't just come here to make sure we can open and close our hands or move our ankles. They're very big on developing our intellect and making sure that we maintain that.
Each day, seniors participate in a range of activities and benefit from a variety of services. Daily activities are tailored to the participants' interests and cognitive and physical abilities. A typical day may include activities such as adaptive sports, personal grooming, pet therapy, gardening, even field trips to an ice cream shop or to see the cherry blossoms.
She's had a great day. She's gained weight. You know, we were having issues with her not eating because she was depressed. Well, we don't have depression issues anymore. She's going to bed at 9 o'clock, and you know, we're pushing her out of bed at 8:30 in the morning. Come on, we gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. And she walks in and she's dancing. I mean, she's dancing upon, entrance.
So all those sort of unintended kinds of consequences we see from coming here. They dance, they are happy. You see that change in a depressed person, so to speak, and then you see them come out of their shell and they're laughing.
A team of nurses, recreational therapists, and other highly trained staff care for participants. They work together to enhance participants' physical, mental, and emotional well-being. They also provide unique services to individuals that include personal grooming, a health assessment, and medical administration.
Try to stimulate people when they come in, all kinds of ways, cognitively, physically, socially, spiritually, and otherwise.
93% of respondents to an annual Family Caregivers Adult Day Healthcare Satisfaction Survey stated their loved ones benefited from the program. Research also shows that caregivers also benefit from the program. Fairfax County caregivers participated in a Penn State University study that showed dramatic results. Caregivers reported reduced stress on the days their loved ones attended Adult Day services. The research also showed improvements in caregivers' emotional well-being and reduced their risks for illness.
So we were thrilled because it validated the observations we've had as staff, and also what the caregivers have been saying to us, In one particular case, we had a caregiver who specifically said that her blood pressure actually decreased because her mother was coming here, and she gave us the numbers, and she said, this is what happened because it gave me such peace of mind, and I was able to do things on my own, things that I wanted to do.
The health department operates 5 licensed centers throughout Fairfax County, Monday through Friday. Door-to-door transportation is available. The program is affordable, and Fairfax County employees receive a 20% discount on fees.
We, as Fairfax County residents, all of us are very, very lucky, fortunate to have programs like this and to be able to access them. And it certainly has made a difference in our lives, and we would know that it would make a difference in other people's lives as well.
It's better than a peace of mind. I mean, it's peace of mind, but it's also a gift. We know that Mom's in a great, loving place, and she's experiencing things that she needs to experience, things that I can't give her. And then when we come back together, we're all happy and healthy, in a way that if we were together 24/7, we wouldn't be a healthy family unit. And this allows us to be, very happy and very healthy and all have the best possible quality of life.